In this video, I'll show you how to deactivate local pickup location in your Shopify store. For example, in my store, customers can pick up orders in Toronto warehouse, Oakville, and Montreal. Let's assume we don't want to offer local pickup the Oakville warehouse. So in order to disable this pickup location, simply log into Shopify admin account, and then to bottom left corner, click on settings, and then select shipping and delivery. Once the page loads, scroll a bit down until you find this option, pickup in store. As you can see, in my case, I have 3 locations that offer in-store pickup. Let's click on it. Right in here, look for the pickup location you want to deactivate. In my case, this one, Oakville Warehouse. Right on this page, look for this option, location status. As you can see, in my case, currently enabled. Let's deactivate it and then save the changes. Now allow a few minutes for the changes to update. Then go back to checkout and try refreshing it. As you can notice, the Oakville location is not available. From now on, customers can pick up orders from Toronto or Montreal warehouse. So for now, that's all for this video. I hope you found it useful, and for more Shopify tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.